On Venus, there is no open frontier, no farmland, no oceans, no surface expansion. Every resource is engineered. That changes economics completely. Venus is a closed-loop civilization, which means traditional currency models fail, because growth is not territorial, it is efficiency-based. On Earth, economies expand through land, extraction and population growth. On Venus, expansion happens through optimization, energy efficiency, material recycling, atmospheric processing yields, structural longevity. Currency cannot be tied to land ownership. There is no land. It cannot be tied to extraction volume. Resources are limited. Instead, value must be tied to contribution to system stability. A Venus economic model may include energy credits as primary currency, atmospheric processing output units, maintenance contribution metrics, engineering optimization scores. Energy becomes the base layer. Because energy equals survival, every platform consumes power. Every citizen relies on life support systems. Economic exchange becomes linked to energy allocation. If you increase system efficiency, you generate surplus credits. If you waste energy, you lose economic capacity. This creates a civilization where waste is economically punished, and optimization is rewarded. Material cycles are tracked digitally. Nothing is disposable. Everything is part of a closed system ledger. A Venus currency system may operate on distributed blockchain-style accounting, AI-regulated supply balancing, real-time atmospheric resource tracking. Speculation is limited because instability risks survival. Economic volatility cannot be tolerated. Venus becomes a stability-first economy, not a growth-first economy. Growth exists, but only within system capacity. Wealth is measured by resilience, not accumulation, because in the clouds of Venus, imbalance is dangerous. Economic systems must mirror environmental constraints, closed-loop and energy-backed, optimization-driven.